in conversation with actor Nusrat Bharucha, who's joining us here at the Indian Pickleball League. We saw you pick up the pickleball right at the practice courts. Was this your first time? How did you like it?
First time ever. I didn't think I would be able to hit a single shot, but I was okay. I mean, I don't know the rules and I don't know the right and the wrong, but I was able to hit a few shots. And I think एक तो मैंने बहुत correctly place किया जहाँ MD sir को भागना भी पड़ा थोड़ा.
So you were. It seems like you're already picking it up. It was quite easy for you too as well.
Yeah, it was easy. It was easy. I mean, it'll get tougher when you're playing against like proper players and all. Right now, it's just TikTok. But it was fun.
We also saw you witness one of the most dramatic matches we have seen. How did that feel, this being also the first ever Indian Pickleball League that's also being organized at this scale?
No, I was told that Mumbai was actually not performing that well, and yesterday they picked up, and today they've killed it, and now they're straight in the finals. And I said that's because I brought the luck, right? From Bombay, I got it for them. But no, it's amazing. I think one of those things that in sports we all like to hear is the story of a person who's considered down and out or an underdog, and then he fights his way through back, and then people are cheering for that team to kind of really shine through, and that's what we all witnessed today in the match today. And I hope tomorrow in the finals they win. They'll go from the last team to the top team.
Right, so we already can see your bias and whom you want your luck to work for.
100%.
Nusrat, finally, because this is not only, in fact, we were speaking to the Global Pickleball Federation also earlier, who described pickleball not just as a sport but also movement. And others have also told us how people of any age group can also pick up. What do you feel this has to offer for people who are still on the fence about pickleball? What would your message to them be?
No, listen, I've seen that whole, I think, pick up and the craze for it in Bombay itself. I live in a house where, right across my house, there are these courts which are only pickleball courts that are booked and people are playing at any time. Barish mein khel rahe, dhoop mein khel rahe. So, I mean, and this sport is picked up very recently. I don't think it's taken more than a year for it to kind of turn around and become such a big thing. So if there are so many people connecting to it and playing it and wanting to be a part of it and talking about it, then there's something in this game that people are really enjoying, right? Because we had games before. I mean, the badminton is the oldest thing I know of. I've played that as a child. It took me a while to understand, pickleball and this but it caught on really fast, and if it has, then I think you're right when you say it's a movement. It's not just a sport, and I'm guessing a lot of people are going to put their hands right into
Are you also going to be a regular at it now?
I'm going to try. I had fun playing today, so let's see. I'll play a few games and then tell you.
Hoping to see you at more such leagues. Nusrat, thank you so much for speaking to Times Now with video journalist Pradeep. This is Kritika Tiwari for Times Network.